Hi, welcome to Health Focus. All right, let's cut to the chase. You've tried everything, right? Crunches until your abs scream, diets that taste like cardboard, and still, that stubborn belly fat just clings on like a limpet. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and honestly, it makes you want to throw in the towel. But what if I told you that by the end of 2026, you could finally look in the mirror and see a leaner, more confident you? A you that's not hiding behind baggy shirts, but rocking those clothes with pride. And what if I told you it doesn't involve expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment? Welcome to your ultimate blueprint for incinerating belly fat in 2026. This isn't just another quick fix or a fad diet that leaves you hungrier than ever. We're diving deep into the science-backed strategies, the 7 proven steps, and a killer home workout that requires absolutely no equipment. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to dial it in, a beginner just starting your journey, a young adult wanting to feel good in your skin, or someone who's tired of carrying extra weight around your midsection, this video is your roadmap. We're going to tackle this challenge head-on, giving you everything you need to know, from the food you eat to the way you move, and even the quality of your sleep. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to transform your midsection and your entire body, right from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, where do we start? The journey to a flatter belly isn't just about endless crunches, it's a holistic approach, a synergy of smart choices that build on each other. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just slap on a roof without a solid foundation, right? This is arguably the most critical step, the foundation of our fat loss house. You can train like an Olympic athlete, but if your diet isn't dialed in, that belly fat isn't going anywhere. Our focus here is simple: whole, unprocessed foods. Imagine a pristine forest. Everything is natural, vibrant, and alive. Now imagine a polluted city street, artificial, processed, and lifeless. Your body is like that forest. It thrives on natural, real food. We're talking about prioritizing fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Why these? Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is your secret weapon against belly fat. It keeps you full, aids digestion, and prevents those dreaded sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Think bright berries, leafy greens, crunchy broccoli, and vibrant bell peppers. Lean proteins, like chicken breast, fish, eggs, and legumes, are crucial for building and maintaining muscle, which, as we'll see, is a fat-burning powerhouse. Complex carbohydrates like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes provide sustained energy without the crash and burn of simple sugars. They also contain fiber, keeping you satisfied and preventing cravings. On the flip side, we need to minimize the bad guys: processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. Picture a soda can. It's liquid sugar, offering zero nutritional value, but a boatload of calories that directly contribute to abdominal fat. Think about those packaged snacks, white bread, fast food. These are often loaded with refined sugars, unhealthy trans fats, and artificial ingredients that trigger inflammation and tell your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. Studies consistently show a strong link between high consumption of these foods and increased visceral fat, that deep, dangerous fat surrounding your organs. By cleaning up your plate, you're not just eating healthier, you're actively disarming the fat storage mechanisms in your body. Here's the fundamental truth of losing weight, including belly fat. You must burn more calories than you consume. It's basic energy balance, like a bank account. If you spend more than you earn, your balance goes down. Same with calories. This isn't about starvation, it's about smart planning. How do you figure this out? You can use online calorie calculators that estimate your daily maintenance calories based on your age, weight, height, and activity level. Or even better, consult a nutritionist for a personalized plan. Once you know your maintenance level, you aim for a healthy deficit of approximately 500 calories per day. This typically leads to a sustainable and safe weight loss of about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Tracking your intake, even for a few days, can be incredibly eye-opening. You might be surprised where those extra calories are sneaking in. That extra dollop of salad dressing, a handful of nuts that turns into 3, or the sugar in your morning coffee. Use an app or a simple food journal to diligently track what you eat. This isn't about obsession. It's about awareness and making informed choices. Remember, consistency here is key. A small, consistent deficit over time yields massive results. If there's one nutrient that deserves a standing ovation in your belly fat battle, it's protein. Think of protein as your body's building blocks, but also your metabolic accelerator. First, protein helps build and maintain lean muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the higher your basal metabolic rate, BMR, meaning you burn more calories even when you're just sitting around. Second, protein is incredibly satiating. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings and preventing overeating. You know that feeling of eating a huge plate of pasta and being hungry an hour later? That's less likely to happen with a protein-rich meal. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increasing protein intake to 25 and 30% of total calories can significantly reduce cravings and late-night snacking. How much protein? A good general guideline is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, or even a bit higher if you're very active. The best way to incorporate this is to consume protein at every meal and snack. Think eggs for breakfast, a chicken salad for lunch, Greek yogurt for a snack, and fish or lean beef for dinner. Making protein a priority will not only support muscle growth, but also make sticking to your calorie deficit much easier. Forget those long, monotonous cardio sessions on the treadmill. While traditional cardio has its place, if you want to torch belly fat efficiently, height is your secret weapon. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. For example, sprinting as fast as you can for 30 seconds, then walking for 60 seconds, and repeating that cycle. Why is HIIT so effective? It's a calorie-burning powerhouse both during and after your workout. This afterburn effect, known as EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, means your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for hours after you've finished exercising, as it works to recover. HIIT also improves insulin sensitivity and has been shown to specifically target abdominal fat more effectively than steady-state cardio, according to research published in the Journal of Obesity. You don't need to do HIIT every day. In fact, you shouldn't. Incorporating it 2 to 3 times a week on non-consecutive days is plenty. This is where many people, especially women, get it wrong. They fear bulking up. But let me tell you, lifting weights, or even using your own body weight, is incredibly powerful for fat loss, and especially for reshaping your body. Remember what we said about muscle and metabolism. Strength training builds muscle. More muscle means a higher basal metabolic rate, which translates to burning more calories 24/7, even when you're binge-watching your favorite show. A pound of muscle burns significantly more calories at rest than a pound of fat. So, while the scale might not drop dramatically if you're building muscle, your body composition will drastically improve. That means you'll look leaner, feel stronger, and those clothes will fit better. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups: legs, back, chest, shoulders, and arms. You don't need a gym. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are incredibly effective. We'll incorporate some of these into our home workout, so you'll see firsthand how effective bodyweight training can be. Building lean muscle isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making your body a more efficient fat-burning machine. You might be thinking, what does sleep have to do with my belly fat? Everything. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice, and stress is our constant companion. Both are silent saboteurs of your fat loss goals. Insufficient sleep and chronic stress wreak havoc on your hormones, specifically those that regulate appetite and fat storage. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the satiety hormone. This means you'll feel hungrier and less satisfied, leading to cravings for sugary, high-calorie foods, exactly the kind that contribute to belly fat. On top of that, lack of sleep spikes your cortisol levels. And speaking of cortisol, chronic stress is a major culprit. Cortisol, the stress hormone, in high, sustained levels, tells your body to store fat, particularly around the midsection. It's your body's ancient survival mechanism, but in modern life it just makes us carry extra weight. A study in the journal. Obesity highlighted that individuals who sleep less than 6 hours a night have significantly higher levels of abdominal fat. Your goal? Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, dark, cool, and quiet. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. For stress management, find what works for you. It could be meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, spending time in nature, or even just reading a good book. Learning to manage stress isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for a lean, healthy body and mind. This step is often overlooked but profoundly impactful. Water is essential for every bodily function, including metabolism. Think of it as the oil that keeps your engine running smoothly. Staying well hydrated boosts your metabolism, helps flush out toxins, reduces water retention, which can make you feel bloated, and increases feelings of fullness, helping you eat less. Often when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active or if it's hot. Carry a water bottle with you as a constant reminder. Now let's talk about alcohol. It's often called empty calories for a reason. Alcoholic beverages are high in calories, offering very little nutritional value. Worse, your body prioritizes processing alcohol over anything else, meaning fat burning comes to a halt when alcohol is in your system. Regular consumption, especially of sugary cocktails or beer, directly contributes to belly fat accumulation, hence the term beer belly. Alcohol also lowers your inhibitions, making you more likely to make poor food choices. This isn't about never enjoying a drink again, it's about being mindful. Limit alcohol consumption, perhaps reserving it for special occasions, and choose lighter options like a glass of dry wine or a spirit with a 0-calorie mixer if you do indulge. Your liver and your waistline will thank you. Now that we've laid down the crucial dietary and lifestyle foundations, let's get moving. This home workout is designed to be efficient, effective, and requires absolutely no equipment. It's a full-body blast that incorporates elements of HIIT and strength training to maximize calorie burn and target that stubborn belly fat. Perform this circuit 3 times a week, with at least 1 rest day in between to allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. This schedule could look like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, giving you the weekend and Tuesday, Thursday to recover or do some light activity. Here's the structure. Exercise duration, 45 seconds per exercise. Rest between exercises, 15 seconds, just enough time to catch your breath and transition. Rounds, complete 3 rounds of the entire circuit. Let's dive into the exercises. Jumping jacks, warm up. How to. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. In one swift motion, jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump your feet back together and bring your arms back to your sides. Why? Gets your heart rate up, warms up your entire body and gets your blood flowing. High knees. This targets your abs and cardiovascular health. To do them, stand tall. Bring one knee up towards your chest as high as you can, then quickly switch, bringing the other knee up. Drive your arms up and down like you're sprinting. Why high knees? This is a fantastic cardio exercise that also engages your lower abs and hip flexors. It's a real calorie burner and gets you breathing hard. Burpees, the king of full-body calorie burn. How to. Start standing. Drop into a squat. Place your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, optional. Jump your feet back to your hands and then jump explosively upwards, reaching your arms overhead. Why burpees? It works nearly every muscle group, spikes your heart rate, and is an incredible fat burner. Don't underestimate the power of the burpee. How to. Lie on your stomach, then push yourself up onto your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, squeezing your glutes and bracing your core. Don't let your hips sag or pike too high. Why? The plank is a foundational core exercise. It strengthens your deep abdominal muscles, obliques and lower back, all crucial for a strong, stable midsection and flat belly. How to. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your hands lightly behind your head or across your chest. Engage your abs and lift your head and shoulders off the floor, curling upwards. Before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. Want to see how to amplify these results even further? Wait for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and share.